It was a wonderful experience, and I don't say that lightly. I walked away with just a really great sense of how to approach course design. And it was wonderful being around not only the instructional technologist, but also being around a diversity of other faculty. The input that other faculty have regarding what they were attempting to accomplish really helped kind of guide me in a way that I wasn't expecting.
With the idea of course design, learning some things that are outside of my normal area of expertise really expanded my ability to teach and to bring content to students in ways that they can accept and not feel overwhelmed.
I hate Blackboard before because it wasn't user-friendly. I'm afraid to touch anything, but after this, we are the best friends.
I really enjoyed interacting with people from across the university in many different disciplines. I enjoyed bouncing ideas around with the other people, and also the instructors were fantastic. I enjoyed every topic that came in. I learned something, which made it well worth my time to be there, and has already had a positive effect on my classes.
I can say to anyone, like, come and learn something, and every time you learn something new, some new update of new tools, so I will come again, definitely.